Hey, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you how to upload files to your server using FTP. Firstly, in order to upload files using FTP, you'll need to download a software application such as FileZilla or WinSCP. We'll be downloading WinSCP here today, so you can do that by heading to this page, which we'll leave in the description. There, all you have to do is press the download version on the operating device you have. Once the installer is finished loading, double click it for this window to appear. All you have to do is press the next steps until you get to the finish button. Once that's done, you'll then be able to open up WinSCP by locating it, and this is what it should look like. Now that we've got our FTP client installed, we can proceed to using it. For that, we'll need to locate the necessary information on our server. Head to Server.pro and then open up your VPS. On the main page here, if you look at the very bottom, you'll see an SFTP tab. Press that tab and you'll see this. Now open up your FTP client again and you'll see File Protocol at the top. Make sure that that's set to SFTP as regular FTP won't work. Then copy the hostname from your server and paste it here. Set the port name to the same port as you see on the page as well. Copy the username and then paste it, and lastly, press the password to copy it. Then paste that password as well onto the client. Once that's done, we recommend clicking save and then pressing login. It may ask you to re-enter the password, but after a little while you'll be able to load in. As you can see, we're now in. Now all you have to do with the files you want to upload is just drag them into the client. Keep in mind to restart the server once you've done any changes to make sure they actually take effect. As you can see, I've dragged in some files and they are now present in the file section of the server. The same works for FileZilla. If you have it downloaded, head to File, Site Manager, and then New Site icon. Change the protocol to SFTP and then paste the host and the port in there. Do the same with the user and password as we did before and then click connect. As you can see, we're now connected to your server and we can do the same here. You can drag in files and then head to your panel and they'll be there. I hope I was able to assist you in setting up your server. If you have any further questions, please leave a comment down below or contact our support. Bye guys!